In this video, I talk about a turnaround. A 1, 6, 2, 5. 1, 6, 2, 5, 1. We know that sound. It turns around, it's going on and on. I don't prefer root positions. It's a little thin, I think. So I use not the first, but the second inversion, a little lower. G, C, E. And that chord, the notes stay when I go to A minor. I get a 7-3-5 of A minor. Going to D minor, A, C, F, 5-7-3. And I stay there playing the G. It gives a kind of sus4 chord, 9-11-7 or sus4. The piano is a little bit of a percussion instrument, so when we tap a rhythm, it will work. Now we extend the bass with a little line. A chromatic approach of the next note. From above or from the low end. Or a little bigger. You see when I do that, I sometimes use my fourth finger, but you can do it also with your little finger. But it gives a different sound. You don't have to use that always. You can do just once and it refreshes the whole sound a little bit. The next step is moving the top tone. And it gives a kind of melody on top. Then I can make a kind of funky groove. It's one rhythm with two hands. That's also a nice one, going via A flat to G, so a half step too high. We could even do a little. Just experiment with it, add some rhythm, add some different top tones and make some variations in the bass line. Transpose it to F and G to get used a little bit. It's a movement and chord progression you can use a lot. Enjoy.